Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder distance. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder distance, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Tinder. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder. You can update your app here in this blue sign if you will find here update, and you can turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.